How to remove unwanted objects from photos in InShot. Hi everyone, I'm here to assist you today. Without any delay, let's jump right in. First, open InShot. Click on Photo, which is the second option. Import your photo, and then at the bottom you'll find PIP. Click on PIP, and then select the same photo. After that, adjust it to your size. Then at the bottom you'll find mask. Click on it. Select any shape. Circle is more easier. Resize it. I want black, so I resize it to that place. And as you can see, it has been removed. And this is how to remove unwanted objects from photos in InShot. Thank you for joining me today. If this video helps you out, please leave a like and subscribe for more. Got a question or want to suggest a topic? Comment below. Thank you for watching.